stop? Let's jump in our car real quick. We're gonna have to wait. Hey everybody, welcome to the community of Hauser Lake. This is a really neat community that sits only 10 minutes from Rathdrum, 10 minutes from Post Falls, and about 25 minutes from downtown Coeur d'Alene. We're on the end of a cul-de-sac right now at this new listing of ours. This community also has one of the better lakes in town. It's a smaller lake, 625 acres. There's only about 1,000 people that live in this community, and we're gonna show you all that. But first, we're gonna show you this home and let you see some of the upgrades in here. So a few things to know about this home. This home is 4,400 square foot, has 5 good-sized bedrooms, 3.5 baths. And some things that I love about this home, first are views. You can see all the way out to Hayden Lake. Hauser Lake. You can't see that far. Do I start over? Just start completely. You can see all the way out to Hauser Lake from the deck, the master bedroom, and the kitchen. The best thing about the master bedroom too is it's huge. It's a large master bedroom with a spacious bathroom. The bathroom has tons of room, and then you also have a huge walk-in closet. 2 large bedrooms up here also supplement, as well as a good-sized guest bath. And the kitchen has been recently updated with a new granite countertop for the island, new appliances, and then something that you'll want to know is that this house has a brand new roof on top. What's really different is the first time that we bought this house, there was nothing downstairs. So let me show you what they've done with the whole space. All right, so now we're downstairs. When I first sold this house, this was a completely unfinished basement. They added 2,200 square foot from what you see here. There are 2 large living spaces down here, one that would be great for a man cave, 2 extremely big bedrooms, another full bath, and then the most recent addition, right before we listed, was this new wet bar. Before we show you more in the community of Hauser Lake, I want to remind you that this house sits on 1.3 acres with room for a shop. You have these amazing views we talked about of Hauser Lake. You can also see all the way into all 4 major cities of Hayden, Coeur d'Alene, Rathdrum, and Post Falls. So if you got questions, let us know, but we're going to take you around right now. So here we are, only 2 minutes from the house, and we're down at the Hauser Public Boat Launch. This is a really nice area that has a really big park for kids, facilities, tons of parking, and you also have a cordoned off swimming area. What's really nice about Hauser Lake is it's not like the other lakes up here. It's not very busy, and most of the traffic here is going to be local. So with only 1,000 residents, this is actually a great place to come down, swim, launch your boat, fish, paddleboard, and all those cool things. And it only rains here once a year, and that's today. Another cool feature about Hauser Lake is what's behind me. This is Embers by the lake. This is a local restaurant, mom and pop, great food, great service. They do wood-fired burned They do wood-fired pizzas, have great beer, and it is an awesome atmosphere in the summer.